Hey everyone, this is Cardo's new accessory, the Packtalk second helmet kit with Sound by JBL included. And in this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about it. Now this is for those who already have a Packtalk, it's already got Sound by JBL, that's all good on their primary helmet, but they want to outfit their second, third, fifth helmet with that same type of experience. But it's also for those who have a Cardo Pack Series unit, it doesn't have Sound by JBL. This accessory will give you access to those sound profiles, give you that better speaker, and give you kind of a bump in the whole experience. The kit gives you 40mm Sound by JBL speakers, is compatible with literally all helmets except half helmets, of course. Comes with the boom mic and the wired mic, and is compatible with the original Packtalk, Packtalk Bold, Packtalk Black, Packtalk Ducati, even way far back to the Smart Pack. So let's dig in and see what it comes with. The box contains two parts compartments, the installation guide, and of course, the JBL activation guide. Within those compartments, you'll find the Packtalk cradle with the clamp, the boom microphone, the 40mm Sound by JBL speakers, of course, an adhesive mount for helmets that you can't use the clamp on, a long wired mic for full face helmet applications, two rectangular Velcro pads for use when installing the microphones, two circular Velcro pads for use when installing the speakers, two speaker booster pads to use if needed to get the ideal fitment, and two alcohol wipes to prep the helmet for installation. Installation will be identical to the one you already have installed on your helmet, so no worries there. And if you have a Packtalk that already has Sound by JBL profiles, you're done at that point. There's no need for the QR code, ready to go. But for units that are not Sound by JBL, there's another step you're going to want to take. First and foremost, go to our website, verify that you have the most current firmware version for your model. That basically teaches the headset how to accept this increased audio performance. From there, grab the activation guide that came in the box and just follow these steps. Make sure your unit is on and connected to your phone via Bluetooth. From there, download and open the Cardo Connect app. Press settings in the top left corner, and in there you'll see audio profiles. Select that. From here, you'll choose the scan QR code, which will be found in your activation guide. And once verified, you'll see a screen that says audio profiles have been successfully activated. That's it. From there, to access the audio profiles, simply select audio profiles, and there you go, standard, bass boost, and vocal. And that's it. For more information, just check out the second helmet kit JBL support page on our website. Enjoy.